happened a little while. Look at the trend. I think it is electric. Look at the sport beams on the back.